So hello everyone, I'm here to teach how to solve power rule. So yung power rule is my general formation, which is d over dx of x raised to n is equal to n times x raised to n minus 1. So basically, yung power natin is ibababa natin siya para ma-multiply siya, and at the same time mag-minus 1 tayo sa kanya. So for example, may example dito is f of x is equal to 4 square root of x plus 3x square root of 3 of x minus 5. So alam na natin na yung square root of x is only 1/2, and yung 3x is only 3 over 2, and then yung 5 naging 0 lang siya. After nito, magmamanas tayo sa kanya, minus 1 and minus 1. So ito 4, yung 1/2 tsaka 3/2 ibababa natin siya para ma-multiply natin siya. So 4 times 1/2 x, and then since nagbalance tayo sa kanya, magiging negative 1 na siya. Same sa 3, bababa din siya, 3 times 3 over 2 x, since minus sa kanya, magiging 1/2 na siya. Yan. After nito, 4 times 1 over 2 is 2x raised to 1/2, negative 1/2. Then ito naman, 3 times 3, 9 over 2 is 9 over 2 x 1/2. So may error dito, pwede siya i-write na 2 over square root of x plus 9 over 2 x square root of x. Since negative siya, dapat natin siyang ibaba para maging positive siya. And itong x na to, x of 1/2, pwede siyang i-write na square root of x. So ito na po yung tamang sagot.